Welcome to Wild Rose Haven, where we're doing it ourselves.
So here's Mr. Rose going to show how we can use the speed, what is it called? The Speed Force? Was that what it's called?
I call it a thing.
It's a Speed Force log cant. Look at that, one-handed, barely breaking a sweat. Well, that's because we're working on doing some wood, but look at that. Awesome, and the nice thing is that it has this little leg, so if you put it all the way like on its flat, all the way down, and it helps stand, let it go. You have a little stand. Check it out, so you can like leave it and you can still
get your chain on it.
Get your chain on it. Ow! Ow! Well, it's the blackberry bushes. Okay. All right, there we go. Holy smokes on a stick! That's awesome. Woohoo! So we're gonna try this with a fresh cut piece of wood log. This one's heavy. Can it do it? Can it do it? Can it do it?
Not can it do it? Can I do it? I don't think so. There's nothing wrong with the thing. I just don't have enough weight. So this is too heavy.
Oh, do I have to tell if you push it?
No, I can try going the other way. Maybe.
Down a little bit more?
Yeah, I mean, see how good it digs in.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Holy. It's gonna slide off. Oh, look at that. Yes. Oh, well, it's holding on to it, but it's part of the, yeah. Wow. Like seriously, that just saved our backs immensely. It's so awesome. Okay. Oh. All right. Well, there you go. Yes, the Cant can. Yes, the Cant can. Woo-hoo. Nice work. All right. So here I am, the missus. I'll try this one arm. Watch. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, I could almost do it. Here, I'm trying to video here. Oh gosh, it's dangerous.
Okay, do it again. I'll get it over here.
All right, but I have to get it all over there though.
Yes, just lift it up again. I can hold it here while you move the can.
Can you hold it?
Yeah.
I think we can roll it now. Woohoo! Look at that. Yes. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Come on, you can do it, Duffy, man. Nope. Gotta come on this side.
What?
You need to come on my side. Here.
Oh, okay.
I'll hold it and you can finish.
No, I gotta. There you go. Come on, get a hold. Don't do this at home. Okay. Woo! Watch out! Look at that. Yes.
Is that exactly where you wanted it, my sweet?
It was exactly. That's exactly where I wanted
Well,
it.
there it is, exactly where you wanted it.
Woo!
All right. Nice.
Nice. Nice.
New best friend. There you go.
Well, I'm trying to record and do it at the same time. Hold on. Let me get in a better position. Let me see.
Well, maybe you won't.
Unhook. You'll have to come up. Come down that one. There we go. Come on, babe. Hold on.
Okay.
You try to go down on that side a little bit more. On the small, like down there. Here, let me try it.
It's heavy.
Here, let me try it. Here, let me try it. See if I can do it. See if I can do what I'm thinking doing. Okay, good.
No. Relax here. Here. I'm not keep doing this. Fun rubbish. Here, get the thing, bud. Take the phone.
Hold on. Let's see. This is a spot. Come on. I'm 200 pounds for some reason. Oh. We actually found something that I can't do. The can't do it. I'm trying to record and do it at the same time. Here. Let me just try it for kicks one more time. Here. Shits and giggles. Gotta find the right spot.
Why don't you try going the other way then? Here. Lightweight. Get the fat boy on it. Okay, you ready?
There we go. Yes. We'll do it one more time. Ah! Oh, got the brawn on there. Woohoo!
And let's go over to the big log. All right, so this one is about 2'2" across the diameter, so that's a pretty freaking big piece of oak, and it weighs a lot. But if you need to roll it around, you can still hook on, and once it digs in, you can roll it if you need to. We had to get the chain out. Now, of course, if it's got a big bubble on it, it makes it way more difficult. But, you know, if you've got a fairly rolly edge, you could just roll it where you need to and get it out the way. Get your chains and whatnot off, or whatever you used to tie it with, and let it set back. So, super handy tool. I would certainly recommend it. How much do they cost, the missus?
They vary, depends on who.
Roughly, average.
Average is like at least 150 average.
150 bucks. That's not actually bad considering how many chains you're going to go through if you start dipping them in the ground, or you need to roll something around, move it a bit. It's definitely
This particular style
a
too.
worthwhile tool to have, especially, yeah, and I do recommend this with the little legs on it, because for lifting stuff off the ground for when you're cutting it.
2 legs.
2 legs. Sure made our lives a lot easier. So useful tool to have if you live in the world of, I need to cut and split some wood because winter's coming and we need some heat. So definitely recommend getting one of these.
All right, so we're gonna see if we can or can't do this. Mr. Rose almost pulled something, but just so I can get off some of the weight. Okay. So this is what I think we should do.
Cut it right there.
Huh?
I'll pull it up.
No, hold on. Yes.
Because it fucking
You're the one who suggested doing it. Okay, so.
Well, you can't roll it this way, so it's got to go that way.
All right, but I'm just. You put this over there.
Over where?
Hold on. This. Ugh. All right, ready? Get down a little bit lower. Where we were. Come this way a little bit more. It does. So, are you both going to do this? So you got to get on the other side, babe. So you get on the other side. Ready? Oh, look, keep going. Yeah! We did it!
Somebody called the ambulance.
Woohoo! All right, now I can finish cutting.
Y'all come back to